Do you want to speak Arabic? Let's start with something super simple and useful. Pronouns. Welcome to this lesson on Arabic pronouns. In Arabic, just like in English, we use pronouns to refer to people without saying their names. For example, instead of saying Ahmed is a teacher, Ahmed is kind, we can say Ahmed is a teacher, he is kind. Arabic has different pronouns depending on who you're talking about. Are you talking about yourself? Are you speaking to a man or a woman? Are you talking about a group? In this video, we'll learn how to say I, you, he, she, we, they, all in Arabic with clear pictures and examples. So let's begin our journey into Arabic pronouns and make learning fun and easy. The first Arabic pronoun we will learn is ana. It means I. We use ana when we are talking about ourselves. For example, ana talib means I am a student. Ana أحب التفاح means I like apples. أنا 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 أحب التفاح. The next Arabic pronoun is أنت, which means you when speaking to a man or a boy. We use أنت to talk directly to someone. For example, أنت طالب means you are a student. أنت ذكي means you are smart. أنت أنت أنت. Now let's learn the pronoun أنتِ. أنتِ means you, but it's used when speaking to a girl or a woman. Arabic makes a difference between speaking to a man or a woman. In Arabic, changing just one small vowel sound at the end of a word can change the meaning. For example, the word أنت, with a short A sound at the end, means you to a boy, but أنتِ, with a short E sound at the end, means you to a girl. So be careful with pronunciation. It really matters in Arabic. For example, أنتِ طالبة means you are a student. أنتِ ذكية means you are smart. أنتِ أنتِ أنتِ. Now let's learn the word أنتم. It means you when speaking to a group of people. In Arabic, we use different words, depending on how many people we are talking to. So أنتم is used when you're speaking to two or more people, usually men or a mixed group. For example, أنتم طلاب means you are students. أنتم أذكياء means you are smart. أنتم أنتم أنتم. Now let's learn the pronoun هو. It means he. We use هو when we talk about a man or a boy, but not directly to him. It's like saying he in English. For example, هو طالب means he is a student. هو ذكي means he is smart. هو هو هو. Now let's learn the Arabic pronoun هي. It means she. We use هي when we talk about a girl or a woman, not directly to her. It's just like saying she in English. For example, هي طالبة means she is a student. هي ذكية means she is smart. هي هي هي. Now let's learn the Arabic pronoun نحن, which means we. We use نحن when you are talking about yourself, at least one other person. It's just like the English word we. For example, نحن طلاب means we are students. نحن نحب اللغة العربية means we love the Arabic language. نحن نحن نحن. Let's now learn the Arabic pronoun هن. It means they when talking about a group of women or girls only. Arabic has different pronouns, depending on gender, so هن is only for females. For example, هن طالبات means they are students. هن ذكيات means they are smart. هن هن هن. Now let's learn the Arabic pronoun hum, which means they, when talking about a group of men or a mixed group of men and women. In Arabic, when the group is all male or mixed, we use hum. For example, hum طلاب means they are students. Hum أذكياء means they are smart. Hum, hum, hum. Awesome! If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, that means you're truly dedicated, and that's something to be proud of. And remember, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next Arabic adventure. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.